This is a 55 Galeon fly, so it's got the hard top over it. We went to this because of the kind of a factory design, and so we weren't getting the first of something, and we got something that was proven, and this is a very, very proven boat. I have had my 20s and 30-foot boats that I've had down here in Florida, and so this is just kind of a natural step. We finally decided on something we could spend the night on, and we were doing the center cockpit, council boats forever and fishing, but now we're like, hey, we want to do something, go to the Bahamas and spend a night on it. We don't have a hotel room everywhere. So this boat's great. It's for 4 people, 6 people. It's totally great. It's got the self-sufficient, ability to the generator. You can be on the hook for days on days. I mean, that's what we like the best. We really like being on the anchor, probably the best. We like MarineMax because they're the one-stop. They take care of the service, after the sale. Everything from MarineMax has been great. They're there. If we have any problems, warranty or anything, just need to look at something. Kyle's always available 24 hours a day to answer any questions we have on things. The maintenance, if you want something done, you just call them up and Ben will take care of it, and boom, you get service done. So, the 55 is probably one of the most sold boats, for Galeon. It's a perfect, I can complain, say, I want it for our lifestyle, we need a little bigger. But, I would tell everyone that this is probably one of the perfect sizes to start with, is this 55. Galeon, the product is solid, so you don't have to worry about any problems there. So, everything between, them giving everyone the introduction, the quality, the training after the sale, they're behind you 100% of the way.